How to change default font or a font style in a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung S25 Plus, Samsung or any other Samsung device. By default, you can see set the font style on your device. If you want to change the default font or a download font on your Samsung device, follow the steps. So open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to display. Here you can find the display option. Tap on it. Again scroll down. Here you can find option font size and font style. Tap on it. Now tap on a font style to change the font style. Also enable bold font or increase or decrease the font size. To change the font style, tap the font style. Now you can see set default. You can select from the Samsung Sans. Here you can see how it looks. Other option is this Gothic bold. So you can see this type of option. Also Roboto. This is the by default available font style. If you want to download fonts, tap on a download fonts. Make sure your device log in with your Samsung account to you set this downloaded font. So here you can find the top paid, top free or new option. So here we select again free. Here you can see two options Cool Judge and Samsung Sans. So we download this, tap on the download arrow icon, sign into Samsung account. So make sure sign into your Samsung account to use this feature or download font on your device. Now we can see downloading the font. Tap on the download arrow icon. Here we download two Cool Judge and Samsung Sans. Now go back to setting again, cancel. Now we can see add that both option Cool Judge. Here we select this. Now you can see totally change your Samsung S25 Ultra font style. So it's quite a helpful feature. Again go back. So go back. Tap on a display. You can see totally change your Samsung S25 Ultra font style. Display. Font style, also select Samsung Sans. We apply these to your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.